Bonjour et bienvenue to French Tweets. Today we are going to learn about the French pronunciation and sounds. I would first like to discuss about the accent marks, which are also called as diacritics. Now French uses 5 different types of diacritics. The first one, that is the cedilla. La cédille is basically a small sign put under say, which makes say as se rather than que. Garçon français. The next one is the acute accent, l'accent aigu, which gives the sound of a and put on a. Bébé, té. Let's move on to the grave accent, l'accent grave. Now this accent is only to differentiate between these similar spelling words, just to tell you that they have different meanings. They do not really change the sound for all the vowels listed here, but a becomes a. Fièvre, bière. The circumflex, l'accent circonflexe. It's a pointy cap which you can see here on all the vowels listed, and the examples are hôpital, forêt, hôtel. This is only to denote that the word has been borrowed from English language. It's a loan word and an S has been removed. The last one is the tremor, l'accent tremor. It's put on the second of the vowel of the word just to denote that both the vowels need to be pronounced separately. Noël, coïncidence. Now let's begin with the vowel sounds. In the bracket is depicted the sound or the IPA symbol. In the middle is the spelling of the letter which appears in the French word. And the words which we have here are ami, quatre. Now here the sound is a. The next sound again a. The symbol is a little different because here the emphasis is a little more on a. At the center we have the spellings which appear in the word. Bat, ba. Now the sound is a. Parlerai, été, et, peine, frapper, ave. Leçon est, exprès, tête, barrette, parlerai, 13. The sound e, le, samedi. We also call it as a muet, that is mute e. Now the ligature a, professor, sir. The sound e, these, stilo. The sound o, do, bientôt, chaud, beau, o, bot, grotte. The sound ou, douze, nous. The sound u, sucre, boucher. Moving on to the nasal vowels and nasal sounds. First, en, depicted with the symbol within brackets. Banque, chambre, enchanté, ensemble. Next nasal sound is N. Cinq, impatient, sympa. Another one, on, bonbon, comble. Another sound, N. Lundi, parfait. Now let's check the sounds for semi-vowels. Now let's see the sound of Y. The symbol is depicted within brackets. Adille, aille, fille, yaourt. Another semi-vowel, oui, nuit, fruit. Oie, toi, boire. So today we've learned the tricky French pronunciation, and I would want you to watch the video again to practice the pronunciation and the sounds. And to improve your pronunciation, what you can do is you can watch some French movies with French subtitles. It will largely help you in pronouncing the words right. Do subscribe the channel French Tweets to get further notifications about other French learning lessons. Merci et bonne journée.